So I was just here working with my work over there, and all of a sudden I just heard hearing this little tapping noise, and I was wondering where it's coming from. I thought it was a milk for the cereal I was gonna make, or the stove, but no, it's the EarPod. I don't know, it's making this weird noise. Just listen to it. If you can hear that. If that's the microphone. I don't know, it must be grabbing some sort of a static signal over there. I have no idea. And I get the microphones on here. You hear that? It stopped. Well, that's weird. If you know what's going on, just let me know in the comment section. It's pretty weird.